So hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you all will be doing well and you guys would be enjoying your life. So guys, in today's video we are going to discuss about what is an atomic radius, and we are going to discuss about the various type of the atomic radius. So I request you to watch the video till end and never skip any part so you will understand the topic very well. So let's start. By definition, what is an atomic radius? So the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell of electrons of an atom is generally called atomic radius. So basically it is the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell of electron. So that's called the atomic radius. Now what is the unit of atomic radius? Let's see. Atomic radius is measured in angstrom. However, the SI unit like nanometer and picometer are also used for the atomic radius. So this is the units of the atomic radius. Now how do we measure the atomic radius? So atomic radii can be measured by various techniques such as X-ray diffraction and electron diffraction. So these are the ways through which we can measure easily the electron or you can say atomic radii. Now let's see the classification of atomic radii. So the absolute value of the atomic radii cannot be determined due to the following two reasons. Number one reason is that it is not possible to locate the exact position of the electrons in an atom, and it is not possible to isolate a single atom for its size determination. Thus, we can classify that the atomic radii on the basis of the type of chemical bond in the following types. The number one type is covalent radius. So by definition it is one of the half of the distance between the nuclei of two similar atoms bonded together by a single covalent bond is called covalent radius. So these are the two nuclei of similar atomic bond, and they are together by a single covalent bond, as you can see. So that's why it is called the covalent radius. Now in example you can see that the internucleus distance in Cl2 molecule is 198 pm, and what is the bond length? So let's find out the bond length. So the covalent radius of Cl atom is equal to internuclear distance in Cl2 molecule divided by 2, and by placing the value of 198 pm in this formula we get 99 pm. So the term covalent radius is used for those atoms which are bonded by a single covalent bond. Now what is a van der Waals radius? So by definition, one half of the distance between the nuclei of two non-bounded and similar neighboring atoms of the two adjacent nucleus or molecules in the solid state is called van der Waals radius. So in the figure you can see there are two non-bounded similar neighboring atoms and the two adjacent molecules in the solid state. So the distance between those is called van der Waals distance, and the formula is given by van der Waals distance divided by 2 equal to r van der Waals, means it is the radius between those two molecules. Now in example, let's see van der Waals radius of the hydrogen atom is 120 pm, and the term van der Waals radius is often used for the atoms of those molecules having van der Waals forces in between them. Now let's discuss the metallic radius. What is a metallic radius? So by definition, one half of the distance between the nuclei of the two adjacent metal atom in the metallic crystal lattice is known as the metallic radius. So as you can see, there are two metallic crystal lattice, and the distance between the nuclei of these metallic atoms are known as the metallic radius, and the formula is given by Rm equal to distance between the two nuclei divided by 2. Thus it gives us the metallic radius. And in example you can see the internuclear distance between two adjacent sodium atoms in crystal lattice is 830 pm. Now we have to find the metallic radius, so we will put 380 pm in the formula and we would get 190 pm. So 190 pm is the required radius for the metallic atoms. Now what is an ionic radius? So ionic radius by definition is the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell of the electrons of an atom, and it is called the ionic radius. So these are the two atoms of the charges anion and cation, and the distance between these two is known as the ionic radius. So let's suppose we have the ionic radius of Na cation, which is 102 pm, and an ionic radius of Cl negative, which is an anion. So the distance of this would be 184 pm, and the term ionic radius is used for the only ions. So there is a note that the comparison of all the atomic radii. So van der Waal radius is greater than metallic radius, and metallic radius is greater than Ionian radius, and it is greater than the covalent radius, and covalent radius is similarly greater than the cationic radius. So this was all about the atomic radius and its types. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from this video. Till then, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.